I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove Nissan Altima door panel. Start by rolling the window fully down and removing visible screws near the armrest and handle. Pry off trim pieces gently with a plastic tool, then disconnect electrical connectors for switches. Support the panel as clips release and lift the panel up to clear the window channel. Keep screws and clips organized to make reassembly quick and safe. Gather tools and prepare your workspace before starting door panel removal. Place a towel on the door to protect paint and lay out tools in order: screwdriver, trim tool, panel clips, and a small flashlight. Disconnect the negative battery cable to prevent electrical shorting when unplugging switches. Work in natural light or with a focused lamp to clearly see hidden screws and tabs. A methodical approach saves time and prevents damage. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like the channel. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker. It's great for hands-free music while you work and gives clear voice control for timers and reminders. I use it in the garage to time tasks and play step instructions, which keeps my hands free and workflow steady. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Begin by removing screws from the armrest, pull, and door handle cover, then remove any visible plastic caps. Insert the trim tool behind the lower edge and carefully pry outward to release the clips, moving along the panel with even pressure. Lift the panel slightly to unhook it from the window channel, then reach behind to unplug the power window and speaker connectors. Set the panel aside on a soft surface to prevent scratches and keep components organized.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.